If you don't have a maid, you are the maid. Hi, I'm Christine Lee with Keller Williams in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here to let you know that being a single agent is the hardest job in real estate. Because if you don't have a team, guess what? You are the team. You're the listing agent, the buyer agent, and your own assistant. You're running errands, making copies, dealing with phone calls, making appointments for appraisers, title companies, home inspectors. Really, do you want to do all this? And if you're really unlucky, you're also your own janitor. For single agents, more than half your career is not selling real estate. It's doing administrative work. And every time you do that, you're giving yourself a pay cut. You're clocking out of your $50 an hour job and clocking into your $10 an hour job. So if you're done giving yourself a pay cut and running around like a chicken with your head cut off, join me as I share with you how to make your first 3 hires. Who to hire, when to hire, and how to do it. I've recently grown my team from 1 to 8, and it's transforming my life and my business. I'll share with you all my tools and my do's and don'ts. See what you've been missing at Keller Williams Family Reunion, Anaheim, California, 2011. I'll see you there.